Okay, so now we're going to talk about stock dividends. So let's do a small stock dividend first. In this case, we must take into consideration what the market value of the stock is. With a large stock dividend, we do not. So we have 13,000 shares of dollar par value stock. We distribute a 5% stock dividend. The market value is $15 per share. So what I want to do, what's the date? It doesn't say. Okay, August 15th. So 8/15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase my stock dividend. And that's going to be $15 per share, the market share. I'm issuing I have 13,000, and I'm going to increase that by 5%. So that gives me $97.50. Then I'm going to do common stock dividend distributable. And that's going to be my par value times the number of outstanding shares times 5% or 5 cents. So $6.50. The difference is going to be my paid in capital. Okay, so 9,100 of paid in capital, because that's my 5 cents at $1 with par value and 5% at $15 par value. There's quite a bit of difference there. That's why you have a lot of paid in capital, because there's a big difference between par value and the market price. And then when we actually pay it, it's going to be, I'm going to get rid of my common stock dividend distributable, which was $6.50. And then I'm going to increase my common stock, and I'll just put in here that it was $1 par value, $6.50. Okay, so let's take a look at the large stock dividend. And again, we don't have to take into account what the market price is at this point with a large stock dividend, because the theory behind it is that since we're issuing so much, we're going to change the market value anyway. So we have 320,000 shares, $2 par value common stock. The company is authorized to issue 1.3 million common shares. On December 15th, we declare a 40% stock dividend, and the market value was $7 per share. So let's see what we got going on here. So I think it was 12/15 is when we declared it. So I'm going to say my stock dividend distributable, or well, let's do this, the debit side first. So stock dividend, and that's going to be my $2, my par value, times how many shares we have outstanding, not authorized, but outstanding, times my 40%. So I'm at 256,000. And then I have my common stock dividend distributable. And that's going to be the same thing, 256. Okay. So then when I actually do distribute it, I'm going to get rid of my common stock dividend distributable. And I'm going to increase my common stock at $2 par value. Okay, so that is my large stock dividend, which is much easier because we don't have to take into consideration the market price at this point.